Kabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, so today's video is probably gonna be a quick one. We're gonna be doing a what's in my bag video. This is requested by one of my subscribers, Sabina. Hello Sabina, if you are watching. Also, some of you had requested for me to do a makeup tutorial on the makeup look that I had on my last video. So I'm gonna make sure to do that for you guys pretty soon, so keep a lookout on that one. If you have any suggestion on what video I should do next, please just leave it down below so I can do it for you guys. Also, if you guys haven't heard, I had an announcement on my last video. I said that I am gonna be doing a 1000k giveaway. So once we reach 1000, I'm gonna be doing a Louis Vuitton giveaway, so please keep on subscribing. That way we can get to our 1000 mark. Also, let's make my mom proud, because every time I gain one subscriber, she texts me right away. It's like, oh my gosh, you are 581 or 582, you are close to 600. So let's make her proud, and please keep on subscribing because I would love to welcome you all here in my channel. All right, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Oh my gosh, it's so hot in here, guys. I don't know, I really feel like spring is coming or summer is almost near. This is what the bag looks like. If you haven't seen my unboxing on this, I'll make sure to leave a link down here or up here somewhere. But yeah, this is what it looks inside. I don't bring a lot of stuff on a daily basis, guys. I used to have a lot of larger bags back then, but at the end of the day, my shoulders or my arms just gets tired because I just keep on stuffing junk in there. So I find that the minis work better for me. So yeah, first, what I have inside is my Louis Vuitton perfume. This is in the rose scent. I'm not gonna pronounce that, guys, because I'm just gonna butcher it. I have my hand sanitizer. Guys, it's flu season, so make sure you have your hand sanitizer. Don't be spreading germs, especially with the coronavirus. It's scary, so have hand sanitizer with you at all times. I also have my AirPods Pro, which is this one. Look how cute the case is. Oh my gosh, look. It says Coco Paris Eau de Parfum. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I got the case on Amazon if you guys are interested. I have to have at all times a hand lotion. This one is Chanel. This one smells really good, guys. It's just, and it makes your skin feels nice and soft, and you just squish it. It smells really good. But yeah, I really love this. I highly recommend. And that's it basically on the first part of the bag. And I also carry a lip liner. On a daily basis, I don't really like to put lipstick. I just use lip liner and it lasts me all day. This one is MAC in the shade Spice. I have my key clay, which is this one. It's the multicolor key pouch, and I just have basically my credit cards inside there. And I also have my key, which is this one. But yeah, this one is really helpful, so I don't have to carry like a big wallet. And if you guys are wondering if an iPhone fits there, yes, it does. It fits inside a mini Capucine, and I have the iPhone 11 Pro. Not the biggest one. I think the biggest one is not gonna fit. As you guys can see, that's pretty much everything that I carry on a daily basis. I am a minimalist type of girl, so I don't carry a lot of stuff, and I don't like overstuffing my bag, because that's actually what ruins your bag, is when you keep on putting things that you don't need and overstuffing it. And I like to take care of my stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was actually having second thoughts to do this, doing this, because I don't carry much stuff, but I hope that was helpful for you guys. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.